Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Tanque Verde local and long distance movers near me. Unlike interstate moving companies, local vendors are not subject to regulatory oversight. That gap means it's up to you to determine whether a moving company is qualified to handle your business. One expert suggestion is to visit their local office. If they don't have one, that's not a good sign. Another tip is to request a copy of the mover's business license and proof of corporate insurance coverage. The mover must have insurance to protect you from any liability during the job. How much will a move to or from Tanque Verde, Arizona coast? Identifying the cost of an upcoming move is best achieved by obtaining estimates from several reliable moving companies. Local projects are typically less expensive than long distance jobs due to the shorter travel. The shipment size and the distance are the primary contributors to the overall price, with local relocation often less than $1,000 and long distance higher. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Tanque Verde moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online form.